Hey everyone, today we're unboxing two products that we ordered from Amazon, the WD Green 240GB SSD and an SSD Caddy. If you're new to the world of SSDs or considering upgrading for the first time, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started by opening the box. First, let's talk about the WD Green 240GB SSD. SSD stands for Solid State Drive, which is a type of storage device that stores your data like an old-fashioned hard drive, but with some key differences. Unlike a traditional hard disk drive, HDD, which uses spinning disks to read and write data, an SSD has no moving parts. This makes it much faster and more reliable because it doesn't need to physically search for data on a spinning disk. Let's compare the two for a moment. Here's a traditional 2.5-inch HDD, which is about the same size as this SSD. Both fit into laptops using the same kind of connection called a SATA port. But the SSD is significantly lighter, uses less power, and has faster data access speeds. Where an HDD can read data at about 100 megabytes per second, this WD Green SSD can reach speeds up to 545 megabytes per second, which means your computer will boot up and load programs much more quickly. Now let's talk about the SSD Caddy that came in the same package. If you have an older laptop that still has a DVD or CD drive, you can use this Caddy to replace that optical drive with the SSD. It allows you to add the SSD without having to remove your existing hard drive, giving you a dual storage setup, one for your operating system and another for your files. Here's a quick rundown of what this SSD offers. 240 gigabytes, which is enough for your operating system, essential programs, and a few games or projects. Speed. With read speeds up to 545 megabytes per second, your system will boot up in seconds and applications will load quickly. Power efficiency. Since there are no moving parts, it uses less power, which can help extend the battery life of laptops. Durability. It's shock resistant and has better longevity than traditional hard drives because there are no mechanical components. In our next video, we'll show you how to install this SSD using the Caddy, step by step. So if you're looking to boost your computer's speed and performance, don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch the installation guide. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.